Meaning of fairness.
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 Fairness. Fairness is the practice of treating people equally and without bias or discrimination. It involves ensuring that everyone has access to the same opportunities, resources, and rewards, regardless of their background or circumstances. Fairness is essential for creating a just and equitable society where all individuals can thrive and achieve their full potential. It requires us to avoid prejudice and favoritism and to base our decisions and actions on objective criteria. By promoting fairness, we can build trust, foster inclusivity, and create a better world for everyone.